All I wanna do is skank my feet.
Skank my feet.
And listen Sunsplash mix so it sounds so sweet.
Sunsplash, the mix show. I am the host. I am the DJ. And I'm here with Selector Princess. And our guest today is Dynamq. Ladies and gentlemen,
No, you gotta add the titles.
I gotta put.
You
There's
got
a lot of titles. There's a lot of titles. Today we're talking to the African from South Sudan, and we're talking about how do that something there?
The River Nile crocodile.
That's what it is.
Yeah.
That's what it is. We've spoken with you several times before winning clashes, before being premiered on certain branded events. But let's take it back to Welcome to Jamrock 2022. You are the winner of Sound Clashes C, bro. How was that?
Man, it's like a dream, man. I've been when I lost it the first time, I couldn't stop thinking about it, man. I just kept. I knew I was gonna win someday. I didn't know it was that soon, but I'm glad I did.
I like it. I like it. Jamrock 2022. That was Warrior Sound, Notorious, Code Red. You're victorious. You are now the champion.
Yeah.
And we understand that, that was a good Irish and Chin event. Sound Chat Radio, very well organized. How was that time for you on the ship? Did you get to party with people before and after? Of
course, man. You can't go to the ship and just when you go on the ship and just stay in your room, you're definitely not on the ship. Like you gotta get out there, and it's like a moving city. You gotta hang out, go check out the different food, then different people from all over the world, man. Like I've never been in an event that had so many different countries there. You see the flags all over the cruise. Yeah, man. Yeah,
now,
man.
Is there a memorable moment of you being on that ship?
Definitely when I played the Yellow Man. Of course, that's the first time I was there. But the second time around is when I was in Dub for Dub, and I won my third Dub for Dub, and I knew I didn't play my big songs yet. I was like, yo, I'm winning this, but I had to kind of keep myself together, not, because instantly you could just lose. And the thing about Dub for Dub, it doesn't matter how good you've played the whole night. You could make one mistake and lose everything. I had to stay composed, man.
Everybody, big clap them, clap them, clap them, clap them. Fish Diamond. When we say foundation, who was here on the last Jamrock? Listen, you see me? I don't follow nobody. I respect Mighty Crown. I respect King James. I respect all of the big songs. You see, when I was growing up in Africa, there's one artist that when he sang, I never understood what he said. But I was like, fuck it, he's talking African.
I plus 5 equal to 10. Dynamq
Everybody make some noise for Dynamq Junior Mali.
Everybody make some noise for Dynamq.
So with all respect, Dynamq Sound, Junior Gang gonna present this trophy for you as the champion of 2022 Sound Clash at Sea. Welcome to Jamrock Sound Clash at Sea. We present to Dynamq, the new world champion. Everybody make some noise.
That's what it is. That's what it is. A lot of fans, I don't think you understood how many people were really rooting for you before the clash and then became your fans literally during the clash?
Man, because people they see me play song with a feeling, you know, they see me that I really wanted this, and not only for me, but for literally everybody that's been, you know, been denied and been people that have been shutting doors on their faces, and I think I represent anybody that's really trying anything, not only music, in life in general, you know.
Well, Mighty Crown's not here, so it's hard to say. I think Africa.
Dynamq.
Why Dynamq?
He's the most authentic one. Authentic.
Who's gonna win the clash?
Why Dynamq still but a warrior, I'm saying him take it the last time, not true?
One man army?
Yeah, one man army, man. Take on the whole army.
Who's gonna win the clash?
Africa, it coming home, Africa. Warrior sound for me, you know.
Why warrior?
For a German sound, adapt our culture, not for respect him, you know what I mean? I know what Dynamq can do, you know what I mean? And I'm with him also, but I have to go with warrior sound, trust me.
African, man, African.
Why the African?
African. Should have won it the first time.
Why Dynamq?
There's no one game thing, you know. Mangly music, it's African, you know, real big man thing. No. Mataran, you don't know why, trust me, but you're a sociable guy for the cruise. You're missing from the cruise, even if you not enter my youth. Believe me, you know, your energy, the cruise miss it, rude boy. Make sure you come next year, you know. That's where I come here.
Well, it's you know what, it's a choice between Code Red and Dynamq, but we'll go for Dynamq still, you know? Yeah, Dynamq had a good showing the last time, and I figure he's gonna get some good no plate, and he's gonna step it up when it comes to tune for tune.
Who's gonna win the clash?
The defending champions.
He's not there.
He's not here. Tony Mataran?
Dynamq.
Why Dynamq?
Like one player.
Warrior. That's it.
Dynamq.
Okay. No. Warrior.
Who's gonna win the clash?
Dynamq.
Are you sure?
I think so, yeah.
Who is gonna win the clash?
Warrior, I feel, sir. But if V-Rocket was in here tonight, V-Rocket would have win it straight for England. Nottingham, England. V-Rocket himself.
Lady V, pick up yourself. You get one of them on the ship.
All right.
Who's gonna win the clash?
Warrior.
Why warrior?
Probably already see him win.
You watch the shutdown show?
Yeah.
You buy some of the t-shirt then? The clash.
Dynamq.
Why Dynamq?
Yeah, I love him. I saw him on Rebel Salute and he did good. He beat Jack Scorpio. So guess what? It's just Dynamq.
Who's gonna win the clash?
The best man. Or team.
As a champion, and you are the champion. Nobody has to tell you. You are the champion.
Yeah.
Anything different about preparation this year?
Well, I mean, it really depends on who I'm gonna clash. You know, there's definitely homework. I got to do homework for everybody. I don't take no opponent lightly. You know, I also got to have a plan A, B, C, and D always. I don't go up there with plan A alone because plan A might not work and you don't have nothing to fall back on. But you know, at the end of the day, it's just entertainment, and that's exactly what people are looking for. It doesn't really matter who win, as long as the crowd is entertained, and you know we have the sound system difficulties and whatnot. I think they were thinking about postponing it to the next day, and I was like, no. I'm almost there, man. So yeah, I'm glad it worked out, but I'm pretty sure this year is gonna be well more improved and everything.
That's what it is. Welcome to Jamrock, the Reggae Cruise. Sound Clashes C. Salute to Irish and Chin over there. That's organizing and assisting with Jamrock Productions. This is Dynamq. This is the guy you were hearing on Jamrock Radio. He's still the number one Sound Clash champion.
Respect, man.